Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up dark mode schedule on DOOGEE smartphone. Okay, we need to open up the settings. Now scroll down and find display. Scroll down again, find appearance and tap on the dark theme. Down below we have the schedule and in here we have three modes. Turns on at custom time, from sunset to sunrise, or turns on at bedtime. Simply select the mode that you want to use. I'll select, for example, the schedule. We just need to select the start time. So let's say that it will be 9 p.m. and it will end at 8 a.m. for example. Click on OK. And now it will be automatically turned on at 9 p.m. and the dark theme will be turned off at 8 a.m. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.